Finding oil. Um, this presentation is about finding oil in the surface of this planet. Uh, you might have heard where to look for oil and how they formed in this planet. But in this slideshow, I'm going to give a completely different perspective. I hope you find it interesting. Where to look for coal and oil? Oil floats on water. Planet formation would have speeded up with increasing mass. Planet would planet uh, planet would have been initially hot before uh, it during in the initial time it was formed because of impact from continuous impact as it formed, and light particles uh, would have been would have escaped to the upper atmosphere, uh, and these particles would have slowly settled down on this planet. Spin of the earth suggests that it was hit laterally by a projectile, or it formed due to earth moon uh, binary. Earth and moon formed a binary system. Earth as a gyroscope. Non-homogeneous mass distribution. Earth's spin along with variation in distribution would have caused Earth to precise about its rotational axis. The precession is caused by centrifugal force, resulting in unbalanced mass distribution. So this is the vertical axis. This is the uh, this is Earth uh, before presented as not precising. This is the Earth with a vertical axis and with a tilted precision. Uh, so uh, we are going to explore how this precision might have taken place in the next slide. This is precision mechanics. Precision mechanics uh, assume that there was a disk that was rotating, and suddenly uh, a mass uh, fell on this disk. Now the axis of rotation would have shifted uh, to the left. uh, in the rotating plane, addition of mass leads to change in rotation axis, reduction in rotation speed. So in the previous slide we saw what happens when disk uh, had an impact. Now we are going to talk about uh, precision caused by uh, impact on a sphere. Now this is a sphere. This is rotating about a certain axis. Now mass is added to the sphere at a certain location. Because of this, this is this is going to start precision, but with a tilt. So it is going to rotate about the axis, and the axis itself is going to rotate in uh, from a certain position. Precision mechanics. So the precision is supposed to have caused polar wandering curves. The pole can wander. Pole could reverse direction. Precision. So the poles could reverse direction over a period of time, or the precision could have stabilized. So Evidence for precession and polar wandering were supposed to be magnetic fields. Now we know that coal and petroleum deposits can also be evidence for polar wandering. Other minerals, iron and polymer deposits can also find uh, can may or may not be found by this approach. So this is a new field called geographic geology. Shape of the land determines where oil deposits are. In the poles, oil should be solid. In the non-magnetic, evidence from for polar wandering. So, so geographic geology is field is going to generate non-magnetic evidence for polar wandering if that is plausible. So this is modeling based study. So we have a disk, we can drop objects and we can rotate it and see where uh, particles land and so on. So this is Arctic pole and this is the surrounding land, and as this spins where objects are going to land. So this field should be should it be considered original research? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking about whether I thought of this idea myself or I got it from somewhere else. So I don't know whether what prior work has been done. So I was thinking about floating oil on food, and I thought about how to solve it. New ways to find oil, non-biological source of oil, planet carbon safe, planet collision impacts precision, oil-based non-magnetic evidence for wandering, oil-based non-magnetic evidence for wandering curves. So keywords for this will be natural oil source, geology, geography. Thank you. Please do not take take the money if you make money at all. Don't go about shipping in the poles without safety and without fleet of ships. University hide this work and ask students where to look for oil. So original joke. So I thought about joke. This joke. I thought it was funny. Tamilian went to Roman Empire. He said, "We have written a text for conduct. It has more than 1,000 proverbs on rules of life. It has three subsections: proverbs for what is right, proverbs for proverbs for how what is the right way to create wealth, and proverbs for how to how to have pleasure." So in each of these sections suffix ends with the uh, word milk. Then Romans said that we have suffix that ends with the word cheese. Cheese is any day healthier than milk. So I thought of this hypothesis. Cheese can prevent cancer. Maybe it can, maybe it cannot. By the way, I am Tamilian. Uh, this is the note to Tamil Nadu government. Should provide pre-plastic hats that has components that has ice packs and water. Uh, uh, so plastic hats are far easier to make. It's very easy to mold. Uh, a single press can make it, and it will be very cheap. Thanks.